Welcome to Creole and Cajun Living with Bomb Cherry. In this video, I will be showing you how I quick, easy, and cheaply organize my fabrics. Okay, so while doing some research, I stumbled across quite a few people who are using comic book boards. I never heard of this product prior to running into these videos. While doing my research, I found that I can get 100 boards for about $14. Now, as you will see in this video, I decided to go with file folders, and I was able to find a box of 25 for about $3. Right now, you might be questioning which is the better deal, but I will show you how I take a count of 25 folders and make that into 50 boards. And you're probably wondering how. Well, if you're looking at the video right now, you should see that I take a folder and split it into half. Then I take one half and fold it into half. And this will be the size of the board that I will be using in order to help organize my fabrics. So there are a few things that you can do. Number one, most cases I wash and dry my fabrics ahead of time, at which time I then proceed to iron out my fabrics. For the purpose of this video, I've skipped those steps, but here is just the gist of how to organize your fabrics using file folders. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using my folder as a template for the size and the width of my fabrics. Okay, so sometimes I use a board, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I use pens, and sometimes I don't. So there is no right or wrong way to stack your items the way you want them to be. But these are just some tips on how to help make things a little easier for you. So here I'm just showing that it doesn't matter how much fabric you have in front of you, you can still place this on a board if you like. You just make sure that the fabric is manageable. Make sure that whatever you're placing it on fits, and then proceed to just fold it the way you would like to. Here is a piece of fabric that I have already washed and dried and have already used. And so it doesn't matter if it's already been cut into, there's still a way of making this look neat. If you've taken the time out to watch most of this video, please hit the thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe.